Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a super cool trick, how to screen record in Windows 11 without downloading any extra software. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already for more tech tips. Now let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the Xbox Game Bar. Yep, it's not just for gaming. Press Win+G to open up the game bar. You'll see a bunch of widgets pop up, but the one we're interested in is the capture widget. Here it is. This little guy is going to be our best friend today. Click on the camera icon to take a screenshot and the record icon to start recording. You can also use Win+Alt+R as a shortcut to start and stop recording instantly. Super easy, right? But wait, there's more. Before we hit record, let's tweak some settings. Here, you can choose whether to record audio, change the quality settings, and more. Make sure everything looks good before you start. Now, hit that record button and go about your business. The game bar will quietly record everything in the background. When you're done, just press Win+Alt+R again to stop. All your recordings are saved in the Videos folder under Captures. Easy to find and ready to edit or share. And that's it. You've just recorded your screen in Windows 11 without installing any additional software. How cool is that? If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. And don't forget to drop a comment below if you have any questions or video requests. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.